Dumelang, welcome back to Setswana class. If you are traveling or driving in Botswana, there's like 100% chance that you're gonna get pulled over by the police. But don't worry, it's not always like you did something wrong when you get pulled. The police in Botswana, they do this random checkups or checking, whatever, routine, all year long. So you getting stopped by the police is not anything new. But you want to be able to communicate with the police in Setswana in that scenario. So this is how the whole conversation is gonna go. Dumela.
E rra Dubai.
Ke tsogile jang?
Re tsogile.